Today, we're diving into the Mr. Coffee Brew Basket Bottom Spring Loaded Stopper Kit, an essential accessory for any Mr. Coffee coffee maker owner. This kit comes with everything you need to ensure your brew basket stays in top condition: 2 springs, 2 silicone pads, and 2 plugs. What sets this kit apart is its compatibility with a range of Mr. Coffee models, including 1857774-000-000, 112435-000-000, 112435-00000, and 112435-0000000. No matter which model you own, you can rest assured knowing this kit will fit seamlessly. But let's talk about the material. Durability is key, and this kit doesn't disappoint. Crafted from sturdy materials, it ensures a tight seal, preventing any unfortunate coffee spills when your machine is not in use. Installation is a breeze. No need to replace the entire brew basket. Simply remove the old components and replace them with the new ones from this kit. It's a quick and hassle-free process, saving you both time and effort. And of course, we can't forget about after-sales service. Should you have any questions or concerns about this kit, the customer service team is ready and willing to assist you. In conclusion, the Mr. Coffee Brew Basket Bottom Spring Loaded Stopper Kit is a must-have for any Mr. Coffee coffee maker owner. Its compatibility, durability, ease of installation, and excellent customer service make it a standout accessory. Say goodbye to coffee spills and hello to peace of mind with this fantastic kit. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.